Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning or changing your ringtone settings to a different ringtone on your Messenger profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Messenger account, and you want to select the menu button down the bottom right corner to open up their menu. Then select the settings gear button, and then scroll down on this list underneath preferences and select notifications and sounds. And where it says notification preferences, select ringtone. You can sample any of the ringtones listed in here, and then once you're done, just click the back arrow up at the top, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.